video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Baldur's Gate 3 for PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome or your favorite browser. After that, you go to this page and you can go to the search bar and search for Baldur's Gate 3 and click to search for it. Now, as you can see, you see all the results of the search. You can swipe down your screen to the bottom and click in this link. Now you can see the official website of Baldur's Gate 3. If you want to play Baldur's Gate 3 on your PC, you need to click right here. As you can see, it's available on your Steam, so you need to click in this Steam link and you go to the Steam page. So you can click right here in View page. Now you see the official Baldur's Gate 3 page on Steam. So if you want to buy this game, you need to click right here in If you want to buy this game, you need to click right here in Add to Cart, and the game will be in your cart now. So you can click right here and purchase for myself, and now you can select the payment method to buy the game. So I hope I helped you in how to buy Baldur's Gate 3 for PC. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.